Yes guys, we are back today and we've got an unboxing. This is the ViparSpectra 4000 and it's a Pro Series, guys. Yep, ViparSpectra, they've reached out to me, asked me if I'd like to test one of their lights out, and yeah, they've threw me the biggest, best, baddest light that they've got. And the size of this, I mean, whoa, this is ideal for a 5x5 tent. That's what I've been told. So anyway, let's get on with it, guys. Let's get the unboxing going. Whoa. We've got our instructions, one of the most important things, guys. Yeah, this is the baby that we've got. We'll come back to that 1 minute, guys. I'm just going to show you the straps. Yep, these are the metal, nice metal quality straps. I've had these before, or very similar, but yeah, they're really quality. Let's get on with it, guys. Yep, and we've got metal wire. That's metal, love that, guys, love it, real strong, you can tell. Right, now to the daddy. Whoa. Check this out, guys, check this out. So yeah, guys, this is a ViparSpectra. It's a P4000. It's a Pro Series. Taking me a minute, sorry guys. This thing is massive. Yeah, check that out. Absolutely love the look of it, guys. It's not the lightest light I've ever come across, I'll tell you that, guys. I'm not going to lie, but you can feel the quality in it. We've got two drivers. They're upside down, but yeah, you can see they're good drivers anyway. Quality. Honestly, guys, this light is badass. We've got a dimmer. Always love to have a dimmer, guys. My last light, I didn't have a built-in dimmer. You had to take you had to take it apart. But yeah, this, guys, it's all built in. It's a plug and play. You don't have to put anything together at all. Right, let's check out what plug we've got. So yes, guys, we do have a UK plug. Perfect. Now, guys, before I plug it in, I'm just going to show you. This is ideal. It's a perfect light for a 5x5 tent. So we've got it's a 5x4, as you can see, guys. Badass. So yeah, I want to say a big thanks to ViparSpectra. I'm going to do my best I can with this. I will be doing another video soon. I'll show you the exact genetics that we're going to be using. I will only be using the best of the best. And yeah, guys, if you hold out 1 minute, I'm just going to plug it in and we'll give it a quick test. Right, so guys, we've got it installed. We're going to do the turn on test. But yeah, what a beautiful fit. Like I did say, this is a 4x5 tent, and this light is perfect. Perfect size. There's just a little bit of a gap on the edges, just as I like. But yeah, right, so let's go for it. And she's on. And yeah, guys, another thing I'd just like to say, they haven't wasted one piece on this board. Everywhere you see, there are lights. There is no waste. I've got to say, I'm absolutely loving it. It's blinding me at the minute. Let's have a go with this dimmer. Now check how bright that is, guys. That's on 80%. Now that is 100%, guys. Check it. Sorry if I'm blinding you. So yeah, guys, really happy with this. So definite stay tuned. Hopefully this will be doing some wonderful things. Got some beautiful genetics. If anyone's interested in it, go over and check them out at ViparSpectra.com. We do have a discount code as well, guys. So if you're interested in this in particular light, there's going to be a 10% discount. All you've got to say is Pro Dabuds UK. That's your discount, guys. So yeah, and I will leave a link in the description for you, so please check it out. Check out the other lights as well. But yeah, guys, I'm loving it. These are the drivers. Doesn't like quality stuff, guys, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm loving it. Nice, made of aluminium. This is absolutely quality, guys. Yeah, the hanger's perfect. The way that I've done it, I've had to double them up. I think that must be how it is, just for safety, because it's quite a heavy light. As you see, the size of it, you wouldn't expect it to be too light. But yeah, guys, loving it. So right, let's turn this back down. Yeah, so that'll be perfect for veg when I just start my seeds, which we're going to be popping them tomorrow, guys. So definitely stay tuned. Go check ViparSpectra out. Honestly, they've got some good stuff. I just want to say thanks again, everyone, for tuning in. Please stay tuned, because we're going to do some good stuff with this, I promise you, guys. Stay blessed and peace.